Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to Zoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Pipedrive to Zoom, first, log in to your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Pipedrive Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to type Zoom and locate the Zoom integration. Click on the Zoom integration to open its details. You will see an option that says Install or Connect. Click on the Install or Connect button. You will be redirected to the Zoom login page. Enter your Zoom account credentials and log in. After logging in, you may need to authorize Pipedrive to access your Zoom account. Review the permissions that Pipedrive is requesting and click Authorize. Once authorized, you will be taken back to Pipedrive. You should see a confirmation that the connection to Zoom was successful. Next, navigate to the settings within your Pipedrive account. Look for the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Click on the Zoom integration to customize your settings. Here, you can set your preferences for how Pipedrive interacts with Zoom. Adjust meeting scheduling options according to your workflow. You may also want to set defaults for meeting types, duration, and attendees. After customizing your settings, ensure they're properly saved. Once completed, return to your main Pipedrive dashboard. To test the connection, create a new deal in Pipedrive. Within the deal, look for the option to schedule a Zoom meeting. Select the date and time for your meeting. Fill in the required details and save the meeting. Check both Pipedrive and Zoom to confirm the meeting has been created successfully. You have now connected Pipedrive to Zoom and can start scheduling meetings directly from Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.